What is going on, adventurers? I'm Hunter the Adirondack Adventurer, and today we're watching a video from a short little clip that Josh and I made. He told me he had a hidden gem up in the northern part of the Adirondacks that he wanted to show me. Little did I know I was going to be on the side of a intense waterfall. And the fishing was actually very great. You'll see in the video that we catch a fish almost every cast, if not every cast. So if you watch the video to the very end, it'll help on my goal to monetization. Once I get monetized, it's only going to benefit you guys. So watch the video to the very end. It's going to help me get to that goal. We are very, very close. We're the closest we've ever been to getting monetized. So keep pushing, guys, and keep telling your friends. And one way you can spread the word is by liking this video. If you like the video, it's like sending a message to other people who watch this sort of content that says, hey, this content's pretty good. So make sure to like the video. If this video gets 50 likes, and I don't think any of my other videos have ever gotten 50 likes. If this video gets 50 likes, I will do a lamprey catch and cook. And if you don't know what a lamprey is, it's on the screen right now. I'm going to be eating that thing. I might get a heavier jig head. Oh, you got something. Yeah, I can tell.
That was a giant.
I can tell.
That was a giant rounder.
You were like, oh no, it'll be fine.
It's not that bad. You want that little bit of a not hitting the bottom, because this could be a pretty nice spot.
Dude, this is dumb. I wish you caught that brown, bro.
Dude,
we would have got so many good pictures of it.
That was a huge brown.
It was.
That makes it feel even better by going downstream.
Maybe we won't even need to go to the spot you guys were talking about.
I'm not going to put it past them to go and check it out. Honestly, if this spot is good, that spot of fish is good too. The water is not too cold either right now. It's good.
This is so dumb. This is what were we doing all day? This is crazy. I'm catching all these fish on a broken ass rod. Oh no! Oh no! Dude, what have we been doing with our lives all day?
I'm gonna throw on probably something a little bit smaller so I can get it down a little bit.
Dude, what is going on? What have we been doing with our lives?
Not catching fish apparently.
Dude, we wasted this whole day and we had a spot like this in our arsenal.
Hey, we still got a good, decent amount of time.
I know.
Like by the time we're done, dude, the spot will probably be dying out.
Dude, how many more spots do we have to hit today?
I had quite a few in mind on it.
So what, we're gonna spend like 30 minutes here?
We're gonna spend as much time as it takes us to fish out the hole.
Because it's like 4 o'clock. So, we got like 3 more hours. Oh my god. That bad.
There's some nice smallers in here right now. Like it literally hit the water and I jerked it once or twice, bro.
Oh. Trout. Not trout. Oh, I just saw a huge one swirl. There he is. That was not him. I saw one huge one swirl. Oh, he swallowed it, dude. No. Dude, Brian's about to catch the... Oh, right immediately, dude. Immediately. I saw something come up after it. That's crazy. Oh, rockback. A different species. Dude, this is crazy. One more cast. So
Right now we have the best basket. I'm the fan.
yep, I agree.
We can do no wrong.
One, two, three. Fish. This is crazy.
I know, I'm like watching it, it's like, oh.
That's a chomp. Watch this right in the rapids right here. Boom. Trout City. Oh, that's a big one. Ooh!
Now you look way bigger than that.
No.
No, that was actually insane.
Oh, that was a good jump. Dude, I can just watch him flash on it. It's so cool.
I know, like you literally put it right next to the bank, bro, and they literally just all over.
There you go. Dude, I don't even have to cast. This is so dumb.
The wide and a little bit of everything now.
Dude, next to the rocks.
Dude, I was bringing in a picture earlier, but like,
All right, spoon activated. Red, white, and blue spoon. Oh my god, oh my god. That's a big fish. That's a big fish.
What you got?
I think it's a big smallmouth.
Oh yeah, big one.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Pretty, oh my goodness.
Dude, it's a huge smallmouth. It's a big smallmouth. Smallmouth. Oh my gosh.
Pretty,
bro.
man.
So pretty. So folks, it has come to that time in the video where we are going to do the Wall of Fame, the comment of the week, and so on. However, that's not how we're rolling this time. It is going to be a two-part video, which means On Monday, there is going to be 2 Walls of Fame. There's going to be 2 comments of the week. And there's going to be the second part of this video. We caught over 100 fish. And I'm going to split it up into 2 parts because the second part, we finally started getting into some other fish. So stay tuned for part 2 on Monday, 6 p.m. I'm posting typically every Monday and Friday at 6 p.m. long form videos. Again, make sure this video gets to 50 likes. Make sure you watch the next video for some walleye action. And make sure you watch these videos to the very end so we can hit our goal of monetization. Thank you all for watching. Catch you in part 2. Peace.